khai avan nuam om ve so ma voin hi happy birthday ni a kum som sari pariat ni na nia oh hey atu fa hoin lom sak do na mal so ma lo hoi ro se hey lo hoi ro se bye bye chuan hey he ta te hianin hey enge nin siam sak ni o happy birthday happy ti te oh hey siam tiam khop mai nau pang ho he ta hian gift te an da a he ta hian a chen an lo lamu bok ani hi hey khai hey hi homemade singara ania tui don nia hey he ta hian a om cheu to a hi la kan tur te nia happy birthday cake ani a moi sin o hey som sari pariat atlin na kan lom don ni hi birthday cake hi moi nia hey moi lutuk makina them lumang pati tay rule happy birthday to you happy birthday to you happy birthday dear Happy happy birthday to you oh le tay rule kanu asin te khem khai du du da khan sai ro tui em also tui mo ani auzam tui don em tui moi thil ike kha kalau en chin an dalem oh heta au de bore po oi ban cha em aurin te akha kha ta kha sai te te kha la ula về lo cá he kan lo lang ve lo kang kan lupa itu na he so sakto de pani
Kapian tirata Lekha tine kham ta bangla ni min present don e khoi hen de kro oe kut beng ang apan na le en khai
คุณเบ้งเวรแล้ว
nge atu ja cha tu te mem rong ta chomo si du so akan ya
Sulit onumin hangay Tandam tulay iswan Ko ngay na inita Anun namin pata Imanga ina arupuye Alugatan rengya Nun taramin petu Isu kamangay iswan Selangte
Samson na siya nag-leptek kulutu Saan yun yan?
Ay, bahan dong pizza.
Ano siya?
Ate present to nalo hongang.
Ate ka present niya. Oh.
Masin kut bengang.
Cause I'm long kanina aong rengsi Tandam tu kahim nakalam nakatakla Tol na kadam na bisi
I read a note my grandma wrote back in 1923. Grandpa kept it in his coat and he showed it once to me. He said, boy, you might not understand, but a long, long time ago, Grandma's daddy didn't like me none, but I loved your grandma so. We had this crazy plan to meet and run away together, get married in the first town we came to and live forever. But nailed to the tree where we were supposed to meet instead, I found this letter, and this is what it said. If you get there before I do, don't give up on me. I'll meet you when my chores are through. I don't know how long I'll be, but I'm not gonna let you down. Darling, wait and see. And between now and then, till I see you again, I'll be loving you. Love